Hey everybody and welcome back, and in this video we are going to be discussing Android TV versus Google TV versus WebOS. So if you are also confused that what is the key difference between all these three different platforms, I'm going to be discussing that. So basically Android TV is just like Android phones. It have an OS version, an Android version, which is going to be like, for example, maybe Android 10, 11, or maybe 15, depends on the type and model of TV you have. It is going to be running different apps. Now if we talk about Google TV, it have a dedicated operating system developed by Google, which is called the Google TV. It have its unique features updated by Google, and it have few extra features additionally provided by Google, which might not be included in your Android TV if you have a simple Android TV. So nowadays the Google TV is uh, widely used by much more people. Now if we talk about Web OS, basically it stands out for its intuitive, minimalistic interface and multitasking capabilities. The platform prioritizes ease of use, making it accessible for household members. It offers fast app switching, smart suggestion, and excellent streaming performance, and it is not basically similar to Google TV and Android TV. It just have a few features for streaming using a couple of apps. So I hope this is clear, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.